Think penguins are just cute and clumsy? Think again. On land, their waddle is iconic, but underwater, they fly. Their wings become powerful flippers, propelling them through the ocean like rockets. That tuxedo? It's survival gear. Black above to hide from predators in the deep, white below to blend with the bright surface. But their most unique trait is family. To survive Antarctica's winter, they form a massive rotating huddle to share warmth. And the males? They're superhero dads, guarding a single egg on their feet for months in the freezing cold. They're not just birds, they're masters of adaptation. And the fathers, they perform a miracle. For months, they balance a single precious egg on their feet, sheltering it from the ice in a warm pouch of skin. They endure the endless polar night, starving just to give their chick a chance at life.